Hey everybody, welcome back to Our Family Pantry. Today, I'm going to show you how to make our famous Peach Cobbler. And I'm going to go right now and tell you what ingredients you need. We're going to need 2 cans of 29-ounce peaches, sugar, melted butter, milk, nutmeg, cinnamon, salt, and a baking mix. It can be Krusteaz, it can be Bisquick, you can interchange them. It doesn't really matter, you can use any one. So why don't you come a little closer and I'll show you how to make it. All right, I'm gonna begin by adding our dry ingredients. I'm gonna add 2 cups of our baking mix. And 2. Now, I'm going to add a ½ teaspoon of our nutmeg, and then 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of sugar. I'm gonna just mix this in really nicely. Just make sure it gets spread around. And as I'm prepping all this, I have my oven preheating at 350. Now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna add our wet ingredients. I have 2 cups of whole milk. I'll go ahead and mix that in. Just wanna make sure you get all of that right there. I'm just gonna go ahead and whisk it, make sure I get those larger lumps out of there. And now, I'm gonna go ahead and add my 2 sticks of melted butter. In this recipe, the coconut oil doesn't work so well, and so we have to use butter. Go ahead and just whisk all this in right here. I just love the smell of the cinnamon and the nutmeg. It's 2 of my favorite things in life. The star of the dish is our peaches. I have 2 cans of 29-ounce peaches, and they're drained. Okay. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pour this mixture into my greased baking pan. Just wanna pour it in there. Okay. You wanna make sure you get all of it. Now you just wanna make sure you spread the peaches out to make sure that every bite has a peach within. All right, here we are. I've taken the cobbler out of the oven and it's been resting for about 10 minutes. If I wouldn't have let it rest, it would have been like molten lava right away. And so I'm gonna go ahead and get a nice scoop out of here. Go. Got all that yumminess right there. There we go. Take the rest of that corner out. I can honestly eat the whole tray to myself, but we won't do that today. Alrighty. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. I'll let you know how it tastes. It's perfect, perfect. Well, there you have it, guys. It's our family's recipe, our famous peach cobbler. I hope you try it. I hope you enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and share it with everybody that you come in contact with. Thank you for coming to our family pantry, and we'll see you next time.